Wow, wow. Cam, you gonna jam with me? Boy, we can rock out now, dude. That's my theme song right there, man. You need a theme song when you work out. Hold your head up when you're working out. Come on now, breathe. Come on, hit the music, man. Well, that's AC/DC, man. Thunder. Thunder. Boy, we used to have a semi-pro team, and that was their intro song. We got us some sounds in the weight room now, boy. It was cold in the middle of a railroad time, and the ground, and I knew there was no turning back. Thunder went out right, and I thought, what shall I do? Come on now, a little more pedaling. It hurts? Come on now. Your butt hurts? All right, come on. That's all right. I'll get you another seat one day. Oh, we're going to be hitting the gym today. You've been thunderstruck.